Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Review Scout, the channel where we review affiliate marketing products, online business tools, AI software, and digital training programs so you can make smarter buying decisions. If you're interested in building an online income but don't want to waste money on products that don't deliver value, you're in the right place. Today, we're taking a detailed look at Bullet Cash System, a training program that claims to teach a simple affiliate marketing strategy centered around free traffic and existing buyer activity. If you've seen this product online and you're wondering whether it's something worth exploring, stay with me because in this review I'll explain what it offers, who it's designed for, and the things you should consider before purchasing. Let's begin with a simple question. Why do so many people fail in affiliate marketing? Most people immediately think it's because they picked the wrong product or because the market is too competitive. But in reality, one of the biggest reasons is much simpler than that. They never get enough targeted visitors. Without traffic, nothing else matters. You can have an amazing offer, attractive bonuses, and a professional-looking website, but if nobody ever sees your recommendation, commissions simply won't happen. That's why almost every affiliate marketing course eventually focuses on traffic generation. Bullet Cash System approaches this challenge from a slightly different angle. Instead of encouraging users to build a huge audience before making sales, the course introduces the idea of finding places where potential buyers already exist. The concept is based on identifying existing interest instead of trying to create attention from nothing. It's a strategy that many marketers refer to as meeting customers where they already are rather than hoping they eventually discover you. Personally, I think that's a practical way to look at marketing. Imagine you're opening a food stall. Would you rather place it on a quiet street where almost nobody walks, or outside a busy shopping mall where thousands of hungry people pass every day? The answer is obvious. The same principle often applies online. Learning where interested buyers spend their time can sometimes be more important than simply promoting more products. Another thing that caught my attention is the beginner-friendly positioning of this course. If you ever search YouTube for affiliate marketing tutorials, you probably notice how complicated everything sounds. One creator tells you to master search engine optimization. Another recommends paid advertising. Someone else says email marketing is essential. Then another person tells you to build funnels, create lead magnets, automate follow-up sequences, and buy multiple software subscriptions. For someone completely new, that's enough to make them quit before they even begin. Bullet Cash System appears to reduce that complexity by focusing on a simpler workflow that beginners may find easier to understand. Now, simple doesn't automatically mean easy. That's an important distinction. Even the simplest business model still requires learning, practice, patience, and consistency. Affiliate marketing isn't about pressing one button and watching money appear in your account. It's about developing useful skills over time. The course also mentions that users don't need to create their own digital products. That's actually one of the biggest advantages of affiliate marketing in general. Product development can require months of planning, design, customer support, updates, and maintenance. Affiliates don't have to worry about those responsibilities because they're promoting products developed by someone else. That allows beginners to spend more time learning marketing instead of becoming software developers or product creators. Another point worth mentioning is the emphasis on avoiding paid advertising. Paid ads can absolutely produce excellent results, but they're not always beginner-friendly. Running advertising campaigns without understanding your audience often leads to unnecessary spending. Learning organic or free traffic methods first may help people build confidence before investing money into advertising platforms. The product also suggests following a repeatable daily process instead of trying dozens of unrelated strategies. I actually like that philosophy because one of the biggest mistakes beginners make is constantly changing direction. One week, they're building a blog. The next week, they're starting a YouTube channel. Then they switch to Instagram. After that, they try paid ads. A month later, they're testing something completely different. When you constantly change strategies, you never give yourself enough time to become good at any one of them. Consistency usually beats constant experimentation. From what I've seen, Bullet Cash System appears to encourage developing a routine rather than chasing every new online marketing trend. And in my opinion, that's a healthier mindset for long-term growth because businesses are usually built through repeated daily actions instead of occasional bursts of motivation. Now, let's talk about what you actually receive inside the training. According to the product information, the course explains its core strategy through step-by-step lessons instead of assuming users already understand affiliate marketing. It also includes a quick start guide, an opportunity blueprint, and a daily implementation checklist that are intended to help users stay focused on taking action rather than getting stuck in endless learning. One thing I always tell my viewers is that information alone doesn't create results. The internet is already full of free articles, videos, and tutorials. The real difference comes from applying what you learn consistently. If a training program can help someone stay organized and follow routine, that alone can be valuable because many beginners struggle with knowing what to do next. The product also includes several bonus resources covering additional affiliate marketing strategies and case studies. While bonuses are always nice to have, I don't believe they should be the main reason for making a purchase. The core training should always be the deciding factor. If the main content teaches useful concepts, then the bonuses simply become extra learning opportunities. Another question many people ask is whether this product is suitable for complete beginners. From everything I've reviewed, I would say yes. It appears to be designed with beginners in mind. The language used throughout the product focuses on simplicity rather than advanced marketing concepts. It doesn't seem to expect users to have previous experience with coding, website development, or complicated software tools. However, being beginner-friendly doesn't mean effortless. Every successful affiliate marketer has spent time learning, testing ideas, making mistakes, and improving along the way. That's true whether they're using free traffic, paid advertising, YouTube, blogging, or social media. Marketing is a skill, and like any other skill, it improves with practice. Another point I appreciate is that the course encourages users to think about opportunities rather than obstacles. Instead of asking, how can I compete with everyone else? It encourages asking, where are people already searching for solutions? That shift in thinking can make a big difference because successful marketing is often about connecting existing demand with relevant products. Let's also discuss expectations. Whenever you see online training talking about affiliate commissions or income potential, remember that every person's results are different. Factors such as experience consistency, product selection, audience understanding, and the amount of work you put in all influence your outcome. No course can honestly promise that every buyer will earn the same amount of money. That's why I recommend approaching products like this as educational investments. If you learn a valuable strategy and apply it consistently, the knowledge may benefit you long after you finish the course. Overall, Bullet Cash System positions itself as an introductory affiliate marketing training focused on helping people discover free traffic opportunities, simplify the learning process, and develop a repeatable daily routine. For someone feeling overwhelmed by complicated online marketing methods, that straightforward approach could be appealing. So, should you buy it? That ultimately depends on your own goals and experience. If you're looking for an easy-to-follow introduction to affiliate marketing and you're interested in learning about free traffic strategies, this may be worth exploring. If you're already an advanced marketer with years of experience, you may find some material more foundational. Before making any purchase, I always recommend reading the product details carefully, understanding exactly what's included, checking a refund policy if available, and making sure your expectations are realistic. Remember that no training replaces consistent action, patience, and continuous learning. That brings us to the end of today's review. I hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of what Bullet Cash System aims to teach and whether it aligns with your affiliate marketing goals. If you'd like to explore the product further, you'll find the official link in the description below. Thank you for watching the Review Scout. If you enjoy honest reviews of affiliate marketing products, AI tools, and online business software, don't forget to subscribe. Leave a like if you found this review helpful, and share your thoughts in the comments section. I truly appreciate your support, and I'll see you in the next review. Stay safe, keep learning, and keep building your online business one step at a time.